Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video we're going to find out how to find transaction history on Binance app and the website. So let's get started. Now I'm going to give you step-by-step instruction or procedure on how to find transaction history on Binance. If you follow the steps, you'll definitely be able to get it. So let's get started. It's quite simple. Now if you're using the Binance app, the first thing you need to do is open the Binance app and log into your account using your credentials. Next, tap on wallet icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on overview to see your total balance. Next, you tap on the transaction history button to view your transaction history. It's as simple as that. Using these 4 simple steps, you can find your transaction history on your app. Now, if you're using the website, this is how you do it. 1. Log into your Binance account on the website with your credentials. Next, hover over the wallet icon at the top of the screen and click on the transaction history from the drop down menu. And that's all. 3 simple steps for Binance website. Now let me give you additional tips. You can filter your transaction history by date, type and cryptocurrency. You can also export your transaction history as a CSV file. Also, you can view your transaction history in the Binance app by going to trade. From trade, you click on spots and then click on history. It's another shortcut of viewing your transaction history using the Binance app. Now, if you need more help or you are still having trouble finding transaction history after following these steps, then you need to connect or contact the Binance customer service. They can help you find your transaction history and answer any other questions you might have. So it's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this which we put up every day.